Hey everyone, it is November 21st, 2018. It is Thanksgiving Eve. This has become something of an annual event for me. I do a little recording here and I just talk about the start of my own holiday season. I'm about to bake some bread and some bacon muffins for tomorrow's breakfast. My daughter and grandbaby are coming, and so I will be having them here, and then we're going to have our usual Thanksgiving feast later on. It's really the start of the whole holiday season as far as I'm concerned. I love it. It's a great time of year. Sometimes it can be hectic and stressful. Today, it was on and off, hectic and stressful, but at this point, I'm chilling. I'm having a good time, and I'm going to enjoy baking and have a great evening at home. Watch a little TV, or watch a little traditional things like Charlie Brown, and it's just going to be a great time. I really want to get this channel off the ground. I have other projects going. Some of you may know me from my tarot and astrology channel, Empress Energy, here on YouTube. And I have been working hard on that, and I want to continue. And I really want to do this too. This means a lot to me. Forever Beautiful to me is everything in life that's beautiful. From the way you see yourself when you look in the mirror, and you notice I didn't say the way you look, the way you see yourself, which is sometimes totally different for us ladies. Some of you out there are probably nodding your head saying, yeah, I kind of beat myself up. I've been there. We've all been there. We've all done that, and we all still do sometimes. But I think one of my aims is to help other women catch themselves when you do. Don't beat yourself up. Appreciate all the great things that you have and yourself too. The other thing is Forever Beautiful. A lot of things are Forever Beautiful. I'll be taking some pictures of my breads and things I make for Thanksgiving. What's more Forever Beautiful than a tradition? I mean, really, our kids, our homes, the sunsets, riding a motorcycle, all kinds of great things that really are Forever Beautiful. And I wanted to just talk about that a little bit, chat about that this evening. It's about 6:35 p.m. I'm going to have a little lasagna, and then I'm going to start baking, making my traditional pumpkin bread, which my son is a big lover of. Everyone likes it, but he's like a big lover of this. I mean, and so I make this every year, and he just, my dogs are barking. That's Forever Beautiful. A dog barking is Forever Beautiful. Pets are great. And I'll be making also bacon muffins, and I think I'm going to make an orange cranberry kind of muffin with bacon and maybe some maple syrup. I'll let you know what I end up doing, what the final product is like, but it's up for grabs. I kind of shoot from the hip when I'm in the kitchen. I do have a pumpkin bread that I make every year. Certain ingredients always go in, but sometimes I have to admit I kind of play with the spices a little bit, so I get bored otherwise. But this channel is going to be, I have it about skincare, care from the inside out, a little bit of spiritual. I do practice yoga, and I'd like to pass all that on to you. Meditation, being healthy on the inside is a healthy spirit. I think that's a beautiful thing. Autism is a big part of my life. My son is 26. He is severely autistic. I have home taught him since he was 4. Without just a brief few months in the school system, I have been there, 100%. It changes your life. It changes the way everything is. And yeah, it's beautiful because we've made it work. And that's a beautiful thing. And he's certainly a beautiful thing. And so is my daughter. She's amazing. She's a married woman. She has a lovely, wonderful, perfect little baby, little ginger blonde baby girl. And they will be here in the morning, and they will have breakfast with us. And it's just going to be great. I will certainly be snapping pictures. And I just want to share all that with everyone. I'll be putting up holiday decorations next week, another Forever Beautiful thing. And I just want to share all my knowledge. I have a ton of knowledge about products, about skincare, about cosmetic procedures. I really want to share all that here and really get into it with everyone, and hopefully establish a great community here that we can all have, a fun time with the question and answers. And I'm hoping that I can impart as much knowledge on all of you as possible. I did earn a diploma in fitness and nutrition that I earned in 2008. I've done women's wellness coaching. I have 6 certifications. I spent a year studying holistic nutrition, and my son, I know about gluten and casein-free, both diets. I can help with some gluten-free questions. Dietary intervention is kind of a thing of mine with my son. Nutraceuticals. I mean, it's a pretty good, healthy list that I have, and myself too. I have, a good list of vitamins that I take and things. Nothing complicated, just, something you stay with every day. And, other than that, guys, I am very, very thankful for being here, for living in the beautiful land that I live in and have a great family. And, from my home to your home, happy Thanksgiving, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, even if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving the way that I do. I would like to extend that wish to you for a great, great year. Coming up 2019, it already feels like it, in some ways, like it's here, in spirit anyway. I'm looking forward to it. I think it's going to be a great, great year. And certainly I'm looking forward to doing a lot of great things here too on this channel. Thank you all, and have a good night.